officials of the ministry, that is the Civil Aviation Ministry, deciding to curtail 10% of routes. 10% of routes will be cut. We have a picture coming in. The ministry, the Civil Aviation Ministry, has said it considers necessary to curtail the overall Indigo routes, which will help in stabilizing the airline's operations and lead to reduced cancellations. A curtailment of 10% has been ordered. Curtailment of 10% has been ordered, and while abiding by it, Indigo will continue to cover its destinations as before. This is a big setback, huge setback to Indigo. During the last week, the minister has tweeted saying during the last week, many passengers faced severe inconvenience due to Indigo's internal mismanagement of crew rosters, flight schedules, inadequate communication. And while the inquiry and necessary actions were underway, another meeting with Indigo's top management was held to review the stabilization measures. And today again, Indigo CEO Peter Elbers was summoned to the ministry to provide an update. The minister is saying that Peter Elbers, the Indigo CEO, has confirmed that 100% of the refunds for flights affected till 6th December have been completed. The ministry considers it necessary to curtail the overall Indigo routes, which will help in stabilizing airlines' operations and lead to reduced cancellations. 10% of all routes have been curtailed. And while abiding by it, the minister says Indigo will continue to cover all its destinations as before. Indigo has been instructed to comply with all the directives of the ministry, including fare capping and passenger convenience measures, without any exception. This is a big breaking news update coming in. 10% of Indigo routes have been curtailed by the government following that meeting. There's a picture of the minister meeting the Indigo CEO. That's the picture on your screen right now, where Indigo CEO Peter Elbers is seen meeting the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. Chandrakala is joining me live. Is that meeting still on? Chandrakala, is that meeting still on? Do we have any more details of the outcome of that meeting?
The meeting has concluded, but the fact that, of course, the Ministry of Civil Aviation has today called in an emergency review meeting wherein the representative from Indigo, of course, the CEO of Indigo was summoned to the Ministry of Civil Aviation. We have just seen a statement being put out by the Minister of Civil Aviation, Ram Mohan Naidu, where he has given a detailed information as far as what was the outcome of the meeting. What we are learning is that the CEO of Indigo, Peter Elbers, was summoned to the ministry to provide an update. He confirmed that 100% of the refunds for flights attached 6 December have been completed. In fact, a strict instruction was also given to expedite the completion of the remaining funds, and baggage handover was given. The fact that the minister himself has tweeted that many passengers have faced severe inconvenience as far as the Indigo's internal mismanagement is concerned. We have seen him earlier giving a detailed information regarding the entire crisis in the Parliament, where he has warned Indigo of strict actions. We have seen the Indigo CEO coming out with an apology as far as this entire situation is concerned. And today he was being summoned in the Ministry of Civil Aviation to give a detail as to what kind of steps has been taken to mitigate this entire issues. Now, I'll give a detail as to what was the statement being put out by the Minister of Civil Aviation. The ministry considers it necessary to curtail the overall Indigo routes, which will help in stabilizing the airline's operations and lead to reduced cancellations. A curtailment of 10%, let me repeat, a curtailment of 10% has been ordered. While abiding with it, Indigo will continue to cover all its destinations as before. Now, we have seen that more and more flights still remain cancelled across major cities today, and this meeting was called in. An emergency review meeting was called by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, where not only Indigo but other airline operators, of course, Air India and SpiceJet were also present. Where there were few key takeaways from the meeting, wherein it was discussed that they should ensure safety and security of the passengers, and the fact that one of the most important key takeaways was that this entire issue will be taken into consideration, and after January 7 and 8, this issue will be sorted out completely. But meanwhile, yes, Indigo has been instructed with all. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has instructed Indigo and other airline operators to, as far as the airfare cap is also concerned. And now the Indigo CEO was also summoned here. And
Stay with me, Chandrakala. I want to play out